Hello, how are you all? Welcome to another class of English. Today I have thought of starting the class in a very new way. Today I will start the class with one poem. Okay? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here, with a quack quack there, everywhere, quack 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 quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here, with a moo moo there, everywhere, moo 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 moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So, did you like it? Okay, so you are going to learn this poem with actions. You are going to watch this video and you are going to learn this poem with actions. So students, have you done the practice of letter U and letter I? Yes, I know you must have done, because I know you are going to listen to your ma'am, what ma'am instruct you. And have you done the reading practice? I know that also you must be doing and must be trying to learn every time new words. Small new words, not big one. Right now only the small one. So students, see, you have to do writing practice also and reading practice also. You have to make this online class useful. Every day ma'am is teaching you something new and you also have to do that practice so that you are able to learn through online class what is being missed because of COVID spread. Is it clear to you all? So now, after writing U and I, today I am introducing a new letter W. Which is the letter W. And what is the sound of W? Va. What is the sound of W? Va. So what comes from W? Watermelon, water. They start from letter W. So now let me tell you what is the correct formation of W. See, now you must have learned that you have how to write in 4 lines. You must have learned the pattern of red, blue, and red line. From which line you are going to start? You are going to start from the 3rd line. And your pencil should be sharp. The letter should be in one stroke. You will not lift the pencil in between. These are the important points when you are writing cursive letters. Then only you are going to get very nice and perfect cursive writing. Is it clear to you all? So let us start writing of W. See, again the dots are here. Again, what is the pattern? Starting from the corner or put the pencil on the dot. Put the pencil on the dot, starting from the corner, up. Where up? Not to the red line. You are going up till the blue line. Up, slant up, down. Slight turn. Again up, and with the same line you have to come down and up and tick. See, this is the formation of W. Is it clear? Again we will start. Put the pencil on the dot, slant up, down, turn, up. With the same line you have to come down, up and tick. This is the formation of W. Clear? Again see. starting from the corner, slant up, down, turn, up, down, turn, up and tick. See, all three W's ma'am has written in one stroke. She has not lifted the pencil here also, or here also, or here also. And you have to do the same thing. You will not lift the pencil and you will not make W such big. Some of you are going to, I know you are going to write like this way. This is a wrong pattern. There is no gap in this between. From where you will go up, you are going to come down from the same line. You are not going to make the two lines. You are going to come down from the same line. It should be one line. Again, see, put the pencil on the dot, slant up, down, turn, up, down, turn, up and tick. Now some of you are, I know, like this and this big tick. This all is wrong. This all is wrong. This way you will not write. You are going to start slant up, down, just like U. The way you have learned to make U, first you will make one U and then another U and a slight tick is there. So this is the correct formation of W. See, I am showing you close. See. Okay. See, these are two U's. Now if you know how to make U, you can start from the corner, slant up, down, turn, up, down. See, you have to come down from the same line. You will not make another line. And then turn, up and a small tick. Don't make W like this or like this. No gap is in between. This is one line. No gap in between. It should be the one line. From where you have gone up, from the same line, you have to come down. जिधर से आप जिस लाइन से ऊपर गए हैं, उसी लाइन से आपको नीचे आना है. आपको यहाँ पे टू लाइन्स नहीं बनानी है. Is it clear to you all? So this is W. Cursive W. If you have learned to write U, it will be very easy. So students, please practice writing of W in the same manner. The movement should be in one flow. If it is not in one flow, you won't be able to write it nicely. So now I know every time I am giving you the same instructions. And I know now you must have kept all the instructions in your mind. Okay? So now I will tell you how to write down W in notebook. Okay? So let us see the next video.